Ban sedang no eka Iakren Pynbeit put haki sauteli ki jaka ki badan hak haput ka ribhoi distrik bat Assam ka regional committee jong ki arteli ki Jylla kata ka Meghalaya bat Assam menta ka sngi ka athu arteri ku naitung kila sedang eka Kynduh lang haka regional committee meeting haka lang kabala long ha Assam State Guest House koina dhara Khanapara. Ya kita ki komiti la klik do ba prestun tensong sembut menteri rang ba ka Jylla komu chairman ka ribhoi regional committee haka jingdon lang ki MLA ka ribhoi na du ba sos thinus sotun MLA jirang ba Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati ba Daman Bait Lamare MLA Umroy ba Penyat Sing CEM ka KHADC balong ru komu dekhot ka regional committee Warpid Upadhyaya Deputy Commissioner ka ribhoi Distrik bat kwe ki officer katba ya ka regional committee jong ka Assam la klik da u atul Bora Paru Chandra Mohan Patowari ki badai ki menteri sorkar haka jingdan lang ki officer.
Shillong gane meeting haka por karwe biji hang ne apo Guwahati ka state guest house pedeng Jongi na kaliang regional committee Jong Kariboy perangkat pat regional committee kabalayalam de ki anut ki minister na kaliang Jong Assam iwe Minister Betul Rom Atul Bora Parway Pat Master Patwari tinggal Jong meeting mentak asing la ya discuss king la presentation ya tilai teli ki sektor kabedeng ko gede ya des damria kabaar gede ka nong ka nongwa mau tamul bat kabalai gede ka podwa tinggal discuss akabaki DC kila ai la ka jong presentation dia ka makadu Malaysia milarai bangin riak lu biang haka arsan krik jong upnai agos haka bangin syong biang hang ni porjan mit pad hadin nang ta haka arpnu terik pada men step jong upnai agos ngin le ya ka site inspection ya ka ni ke area ka badai jong ka des damria kata ketika bagi Hashim milarai kong bad nang ta ngin sapersyang nang ni sakmat bandang ya Kynduh susu terter haka bangin pendep ya kada field inspection jongi ya ka bedang sa ya ka nongwa motomur bat kumjuru ya ka baduar nang ta sakawai ka bedang sa kadeka blok 2 kaniru ka bedang sa ka bangin sesong namar ya ka blok 2 bade da chairman jong the regional committee na kaliang kasam udai duwe pat minister punya ong Pius Sasarika dengan saya Kynduh baru ka bangin ya Kynduh biang mana tahu lo manisong biang kumni don ka join regional committee kumni don mentakasni mau tawai ngam ong bong bia pun mom bia pun kan mau bah hakum kini ki isu kham tam ki blas lemba de ki post nem de ki san post nem tam ban ong hi ban hun lut rum long ban num hun lut rum de ngi sim ya kai ka bah tam namar ko mo pi ngi hap ban su thu de ki jisya la de ki sim ya karai ong pi ngin nam la ban ngim nam la ban resolve ya kan isu ka ba ko mo pi ka ban na ka wi ka snap zero snap kadang mi sinang mi kadang snap de na ka ko mo pi nila ai instruction ru lembaga diskausil ha ka ba UCM jo diskausil UEM milaka balong deputy CM ba persnganu ke don lang ang ne ke wan lang telong ngingil ai instruction na kaliang jong sulu bahkan pentip lepa ya kitu ki area kitu jaka lengba jong kia diskausil bakin pentip ya girang ma snong ya kisim dan ki sodar bakiru kin le la ka kam la ka jong ka benta ka joki pengnoban ban penting na ba aneng la le mangi ya kata ka inspection ka join inspection ga mangi sele na ba kan ya be yan ti ka kam ka
in the joint meeting of the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, it was resolved that regional committee will jointly visit to the border area and study the ground reality and suggest measures to resolve the issues. Accordingly, we have discussed on disputed three areas, and we had a very good meeting, and we have decided to sit on 25th of August again. And before that, both DCs will visit the concerned areas, and they will do homework. After that, on 25th we will sit again, and on 26th we'll visit not all the areas because it would be difficult to cover all the areas. We'll visit this Demuria site, and today the DCs, deputy commissioners, they gave PowerPoint presentation, and deputy commissioners from our side, both the deputy commissioner, metro and rail were present, along with the chairman of the regional committee, who is heading the regional committee of Boku side, Mr. Chandramohan Patwari, Honorable Minister. He was present, and Nandita Das MLA, who is member of the regional committee, she were present, and from Meghalaya side, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, he is heading both the committees, both the regional committees, and some other members, MLAs and other members, officials.